Yeah, I know. She was so surprised.
Really?
Oh, for sure. I mean, it wasn't very big. Just a little bug, but Flower went crazy.
OMG, Flower is really afraid of bugs.
Well, yeah. Flower thinks she's so fabulous. Like the time she asked Icy if she was beautiful.
Ice Cube, don't you think I look beautiful?
Oh, no. Oh, I remember that. I am so gonna get revenge on her. I cannot believe how she thinks we will be her servants. I'm so glad you guys are my friends though. Really. Bubble likes me too. Right, Bubble?
Yeah? No! Ice Cube, stop!
Pin, you nearly pulped me. Oh, it's not my fault. It's the stupid Blocky here. It's his fault.
Fine, I'll get Needle.
Yikes! What was that for?
Hey, I'm just in the mood to hurt someone.
Woody, get up! There's a light out there to enjoy, so enjoy it!
Teardrop, calm down. Kicking Woody could severely injure him. He is balsa.
I can't believe what a scaredy cat Woody is. He's so uncool. Pen, though, you're cool.
So are you, Eraser.
Ugh. Whoa! Rocky! Wake up!
What? Hi, Esty. Whee! Oof! Hi, Timmy, my good old friend. Connie, you're so dumb.
Hey! Oh my gosh, Fiery! You're so easy to slap! Fiery, Connie, stop fighting and sponge it. Take a bath. You're stinky.
Isn't Golf Ball bossy? I know. She is like a bossy bot. You know, a bossy robot? Well, a robot that was built to be its bossiest. I'd do anything to get away from her. Or Flower, or Woody, or Spongy.
Well, then you're in luck.
How?
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island. A whole square mile of paradise. A 5-star hotel, a casino, 6 restaurants, robot servants, and the winner even gets to decide who gets to come in and who doesn't.
So, how much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
But what about everybody else? They wanted to, you know.
I wouldn't give up that island for anything.
Neither would they. So we must settle this with a contest.